Hi everyone, today I'm going to solve the chapter 6 of the Excel part of the Pearson MyITLab course, and if you want me to do any other part like PowerPoint part, Word part or Assess part, or if you want me to do your complete Pearson course, Cengage course, Simnet course, Math course, Stats course, Finance course, Accounting course, Nursing course, Psychology course, you can contact with me. You can contact with me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact with me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can directly click on the WhatsApp link which is given in the description of this video to get directly in my inbox. Now I am going to start that one assignment. Its name is EXP19 Excel chapter 6 HOE assessment scholarship dinner. Its project description is given here, so you can read it carefully so you will understand what you need to do in this assignment. I am going to start from the first step. So by following these steps, you can complete your work. In our first step, what is he asking? Start Excel, download and open the file name EXP19 Excel Chapter 6 HOE Assessment Scholarship Dinner. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Our first step basically involves the downloading of the Excel file from the Pearson dashboard and opening of that one file. I have already downloaded and opened that one file. That's our file. In our second step, what is he asking? Create range names based on the left column in the range A4 to B9, A20, B20 and A30, B30. So we will select A4 to B9. That's our range. A20, B20. We'll go downside. We'll press enter and select A20, B20 and select A30, B30. These are the things we need to select. We will go to the formula tab and we will select in the define names. We will select create from the selection and select. Make sure that you are in this boxes, your left column box is selected. You will select press OK. So our range names are assigned to the from the column. That's our step number 2. In our step number 3, what is he asking? Edit the guest using violets to guest using violets. So down delete one underscore. So we will go to the name manager and he is asking for off guest using violet. So we will select that one and we will remove the off guest. So we will remove these two things underscore and off and press OK. That's the our step number 3. In our step number 4, what is he asking? Enter a formula in the cell B27 using the range name to calculate the projected cost of the catering. The cost of the catering per meal multiplied by the total number of tickets sold. So we will go to the cell B27. That's our cell B27. We will select is equal. We will put is equal to. What is the thing he is asking? Cost of catering is the cost per meal. So we will put cost per meal. Cost per meal multiplied by which thing he is asking? Total number of tickets sold. So we will select total number of tickets sold. We will select the total number of tickets sold. We will select that one. Cost per meal multiplied by tickets sold, first one, and we will press enter. So we have got our result in the cell B27. That's our step number 4. In our step number 5, what is he asking? Enter a formula in the cell B28 using the range name to calculate the total cost of the room setup. So we will go to the cell B28. That is our total cost of the room setup. Range name to calculate the total cost for the room setup. So we will go cost per chair setup multiplied by which thing is asking to do? Chair, table and chair setup. Cost per chair setup multiplied by total tickets sold. So we will get the table and chair setup value. What is the other thing he is asking in the next step? What is he asking? Enter a formula in the cell B29 using the range name to calculate the total wallet expense. The total wallet expense can be calculated by the ticket sold multiplied by the total guest using wallet multiplied by wallet cost per card. So we will select is equal to, first we will select ticket sold, that's in the cell ticket sold multiplied by which thing he is asking, total guest using wallet. So we will select guest using wallet, that's our wallet cost per car multiplied by percentage of guest using the wallet, and press enter. So we have got our results as a wallet parking. That's our step number 6. In our step number 7, what is he asking? Use a function to total the expense in the cell B30. So we will use the sum function to uh, total all expenses. We will press control button and then control our brackets and press enter. So we have got our totals results in our cell number B30. That's our step number 7. In our step number 8, what is he asking? Enter a formula in the cell C32 to calculate the remaining balance, total income minus total expense. So we will go to the cell C32. That's our cell C32. We will put is equal to total, which thing is asking? Total income minus total expense. So we will select total income minus total expense. That's our total income minus total expense. We will select that one and press enter. So that's our balance, total income minus total expense. We have got a value here in the cell C32. That's our step number 8. In our step number 9, what is he asking? Enter a series of substitution value in the range E5 to E20. The value should start at 50 and increase with the incremental rate of 5 and stopping at 125. So we will select E5 to E20. That's our range E5 to E20. We have selected. We will go to the home tab. We will select the range. We will select the series and we will select the column with the step value of 5 and stop value of, what is the stop value? 125. We have done one thing wrong. We need to put first 50 here, then select that one and then select the series. Now our series option work 5 and we will select 125, 5 and 125. We will press OK. So you see we have got our values in the required range. That's our step number 9. In our step number 10, what is he asking? Enter a total reference, total income, total expense and balance in the correct location. So we will put is equal to total expense. We'll go to the total expense and then we will go to the cell G4, total income. We will select total income B20 and then we will put is equal to, and we will select the balance, press enter. So we have got our values in the required range F4 to G4. That's our uh, total income, total expense and balance. So that should be total income, total income, total expense here, second one total expense and third one is the balance. That's our required things. What next we need to do? In our 11th step, what is he asking? Complete the one variable data table in the cell E4 to H20 using the cell B5 as a column input and then format the result as a comma style. So we will select the range. That's our range. We will go to the data tab and we will go to the what if analysis, and we will select data table. And what is the column input? He is asking to use B5 as a column input. He is asking to use B5 as a column input, and press OK. So we have got our results in our required table. What next he is asking to do? Format the result with the comma style. So we will select the results. That's our results. We will format that one with the comma style. That's our comma style. That's our step number 11. In our step number 12, what is he asking? Type price in the cell E4. So we will copy that one and paste it in the cell E4. That's our cell E4. We will paste it here as a price. What next he is asking to do? Apply custom number format to make the following references appear in the cell F4. Type total income. So we will go to the cell F4. That's our cell F4. We will press Ctrl+1. We will go to the custom, and here we will type as a, in the inverted commas we will type total income and press OK. And in the cell G4 we will do the same. Type total expense. We will go. We will select the cell G4. We will press Ctrl+1, and we will go to the custom format, and we will, in the journal we will type, in the inverted commas type total expense and press OK. And the third one, in the cell H2 type balance. So we will copy that one and type balance in the cell H2. We will press Ctrl+1. In the custom we will type, in the inverted commas we will type balance, and we will press OK. That's our step number 12. We have total 22 steps in this assignment. I have performed 12 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you want me to do your complete Singlish course, Simnet course, Pearson course, math course, stats course, finance course, nursing course, psychology course, or quick book course, you can contact with me. You can contact with me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact with me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Or you can directly click on the WhatsApp link which is given in the description of this video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get any video updates. Thank you.